Hi, friends! Are you ready for a fun adventure in the world of school supplies? Today, we'll learn the names of things we use every day, but in English. Let's start our journey. What's the name of this? It's a pen! It's a pen! And this one? You use it for writing, but it's not a pen. It's a pencil. It's a pencil. Oh no, you made a mistake. What do you need to fix it? An eraser. An eraser. This helps you make your pencil sharp again. Can you name it? A sharpener. A sharpener. This one is colorful, and you can write big letters with it. A marker. A marker. You use it to highlight important words in your book. A highlighter. A highlighter. This is a special pen that uses liquid ink. A fountain pen. A fountain pen. Many colors in one box, perfect for drawing. Colored pencils. Colored pencils. Teachers use it on a blackboard. It's dusty. Chalk. Chalk. You use it to write on a whiteboard. A whiteboard marker. A whiteboard marker. You write your homework here. What is it? It's a notebook. It's a notebook. It's similar to a notebook, but you use it for practice and exercises. It's an exercise book. It's an exercise book. This book is for your art. You can draw pictures in it. It's a drawing book. It's a drawing book. Just a plain white sheet. What do we call it? It's paper. It's paper. This paper has tiny squares, perfect for math and graphs. It's graph paper. It's graph paper. Small, colorful squares to write quick reminders. Can you name them? They're sticky notes. They're sticky notes. These small cards help you study or organize information. They're index cards. They're index cards. A folder where you keep your important papers? What's it called? It's a file folder. It's a file folder. A folder with rings inside to hold papers together. It's a binder. It's a binder. A hard board to hold your papers when you write standing up. It's a clipboard. It's a clipboard. You use this to measure straight lines. What is it? It's a ruler. It's a ruler. This tool helps you draw perfect circles. It's a compass. It's a compass. This one measures angles. Can you name it? It's a protractor. It's a protractor. It's a triangle-shaped tool for drawing right angles. It's a set square. It's a set square. A flexible tool for measuring length, often used by tailors. It's a measuring tape. It's a measuring tape. You use it for solving math problems quickly. It's a calculator. It's a calculator. A special box that holds all your geometry tools. It's a geometry box. It's a geometry box. A plastic sheet with shapes to help you draw. It's a template. It's a template. Another tool for drawing circles, but more precise for technical work. It's a drawing compass. It's a drawing compass. Similar to a ruler, but made for precise measurements. It's a measuring ruler. It's a measuring ruler. You carry your books and pencils in this. It's a school bag. It's a school bag. This keeps your food safe until lunchtime. It's a lunchbox. It's a lunchbox. You drink from it when you're thirsty at school. It's a water bottle. It's a water bottle. You sit here to do your schoolwork. But first, where do you put your books? It's a desk. It's a desk. And this is where you sit while working. It's a chair. It's a chair. The teacher writes on it with chalk. It's a blackboard. It's a blackboard. The teacher writes on it with markers. It's a whiteboard. It's a whiteboard. A round model of the Earth. It's a globe. It's a globe. You use this to find countries and cities. It's a map. It's a map. You use these to cut paper. They're scissors. They're scissors. What's the name of this? It's a glue stick. It's a glue stick. What's this shiny thing that sticks paper together? That's tape. That's tape. This one goes click, click to join papers. What is it? It's a stapler. It's a stapler. These tiny helpers keep papers organized. Can you name them? They're paper clips. They're paper clips. Ouch! Don't poke yourself. What are these called? They're push pins. They're push pins. It stretches and bounces. What is it? It's a rubber band. It's a rubber band. Where do you keep your worksheets and papers? It's a folder. It's a folder. This tiny tool holds big memory. What's the name? That's a flash drive. That's a flash drive. What do you wear on your ears to listen to music? They're headphones. They're headphones. It shows images and videos on the wall. What is it? That's a projector. That's a projector. What's the name of this tool? It's used for painting. It's a paintbrush. It's a paintbrush. Look at these bright paints in little trays. What are they? They're watercolors. They're watercolors. These paints are thick and colorful. Any idea? They're acrylic paints. They're acrylic paints. What's the name of this thing artists use to mix their colors? It's a palette. It's a palette. What do we call this book for drawing and sketching ideas? It's a sketchbook. It's a sketchbook. Kids love them for coloring. What are they? They're crayons. They're crayons. They look like crayons, but smoother and creamy. What are they called? They're oil pastels. They're oil pastels. What's this book full of pictures you can color? It's a coloring book. It's a coloring book. This tool helps you draw perfect shapes. What is it? It's a stencil. It's a stencil. What do we call these special scissors for making creative shapes? They're craft scissors. They're craft scissors. What's the name of this? It's a printer. It's a printer. Look at this one. It scans papers into the computer. What's it called? It's a scanner. It's a scanner. You put your laptop on it, so it's higher. Any ideas? It's a laptop stand. It's a laptop stand. You use your hand to move it and click. What is it? It's a mouse. It's a mouse. And here's where the mouse sits. What's the name? It's a mouse pad. It's a mouse pad. You type on it to write words on the screen. What's this? It's a keyboard. It's a keyboard. It takes pictures or videos of papers and objects for teaching. What is it called? It's a document camera. It's a document camera. You can draw, write, and move things on it with a special pen. Any guesses? It's an interactive whiteboard. It's an interactive whiteboard. It makes the sound louder. What's the name? It's a speaker. It's a speaker. It lets you plug many things into one place. What is it? It's a power strip. It's a power strip. Wow, we learned so many cool school supplies today. Which one was your favorite? Share it with me. And don't forget, more adventures are waiting for you. Click on the next video and let's go!